Okay, good morning. Hello, Karen. Check, check, check. Hello.
Oh, wait, yes, sir.
Okay.
Can I go to the toilet for a while?
Sorry.
I want to go to the toilet for a while.
Oh yeah. Sure, sure, sure. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, good morning. How are you?
Just okay.
It's okay. So fine. So. And last time we already made our first meetings, yeah, about AI and LL neural networks, if you remember. Mm.
Yeah.
And before we started, I would like to know what is your usual activities besides schools, maybe like your hobbies.
Hobby.
Mhm. Can you tell me about it?
Hobby.
Yes.
Um, I think swimming,
What?
swimming, and
Swimming.
yeah, swimming,
Mhm. And then anything else?
sleeping,
Sleeping. Eating or sleeping, you say?
both.
Both. Okay. What kind of your favorite food?
Hmm. I think what? Yeah.
What?
Uh,
Let's think what you comes out in your mind when you are hungry or where you want
when I'm
appreciate.
hungry, what comes out in my mind?
Yes, when you want to appreciate yourself, like celebrating
Probably
your comfort food.
comfort food, Indomie.
Indomie. Everyone loves Indomie.
Yeah.
The
And
goreng, Indomie goreng.
yeah.
Yep. Okay, me too. And then I remember you're on the satu SMP, bener?
Yeah.
Okay. And you are from Medan, right? Okay, I'm still remembering every kids I teach. So I keep reminding it every meeting, if you don't mind. And then I haven't talked to your parents before, but maybe I would like to talk to your parents next week before we started the class.
How about this week? Why not this week?
Because I have to go after this class. I have to, yeah, I have to go.
So
It's
so
it's a
next week, we'll talk to my parents after the class or before the class.
I think before is good, before the class,
Okay.
because today I have a short time to go. So after this class, I will get to hurry. Sorry.
Oh,
Mhm. Okay, and then let me share my screen here. Okay, so lesson number 2. It is about using AI in your everyday tasks. But before we enter what we learned today, I would like to remind you about what we learned from last Saturday. It is about a neural network. So it's an AI technology that emulated the human brain function. Like you divine this animal is more dog than is more cat, right? You remember? So it defines like human brain, like you think. AI defines like you think, like the muzzle, the body composure, etc. And then the three components that make a neural network, you should remember the dataset, training algorithm, and it comes with prediction. The dataset is like you draw the line, remember? You draw the images, and then every draw from the humans, it will be trained by AI. So it's called training algorithm. After that, it will comes as a prediction. For example, like you draw a car, and then the algorithm is thinking, what are you drawing? The AI thinking, what are you drawing? Oh, it's more like a car. So it gives you prediction, oh, this is a car. And then we also learn about a large language model. For example, like a search engine, voice assistant, translator, and a chatbot. And then we also practice about doing a basic prompt from ChatGPT, right? So there's a table you should follow every lesson here. There's an action, type of text, topic, audience, and limitation. So you need to write your prompts. You need to write your text to GPT according to the table. Okay. Uh, you want anything to ask before we started our lesson today?
no.
Nope. Okay, good. So it is about AI in our everyday life. I'm sure you're using AI in your school homework. Yeah. So where do you encounter AI in your everyday life?
Um, do homework.
I mean, di mana kamu bisa menemukan AI di dalam kehidupan sehari-hari?
Uh,
Apakah
like
ada?
where can we find it, right?
Yes,
Mm, robot.
robot. Okay, good.
Mm, if Google like that can also use AI.
Google.com is also an AI. I think it has some similarity, but it's not an AI, I think. Okay, so basically, you did maybe you didn't realize we encounter AI like automated translation and your autocorrect when you're typing your message. Yeah, that's an AI. So another else, the examples, when you do your homework, like you said, we can write letters from AI and even make up stories. Kita bisa ngerjain PR pakai AI, nulis surat, atau mungkin mengarang cerita. make up stories. Okay, so today, let's look how neural networks or AI to solve our everyday tasks. Okay, for example, you need to write an email or the letter to your grandma to tell her about your vacation. Kamu pengen buat surat ke oma atau nenek kamu about vacation kamu. How can you solve this task? Just ask GPT. Usually, we write like this, right? Write a letter to my grandma about my summer holidays. Tolong tulisin surat ke omaku about holidays, about vacation. Menurut kamu, this is a good one or a bad one?
Um, Write a letter to my grandma about my summer holiday.
Menurut kamu, prompt ke ChatGPT ini, is it good or is it bad?
Good.
Good? You think it's good?
Yeah.
Okay. But can you see? This is too generic. Ini terlalu umum. ChatGPT can generate something common and not very interesting. Jadi hasil yang akan didapat ya, it's like this. I hope you're doing well. I miss you a lot. Etc. 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 This year summer just wonderful. It's so basic. It's so generic. Maybe it's not lah. Maybe itu bukan yang kamu pengen jawab. Jawaban yang bukan kamu pengenin. Oke. You see? Mungkin kamu pengen cerita eh kalau kamu liburan kemarin ke gunung, mungkin kamu pengen cerita liburan kemarin kamu ke tempat wisata, tapi kamu nggak jelasin itu di prompt ini. Kamu nggak kamu nggak spesifik di prompt ini.
Yeah.
Oke, you see? So the chat GPT will give you a generic answer, jawaban yang umum banget, ya kayak gini. Like I said, is this really your summer? Apakah ini benar-benar liburan summer kamu, your summer vacation? And how can we fix that? Of course, the table again. We can make sure the action, type of text, limitation, and the topic. Okay, so this is the difference. You can ask GPT to write. Sorry, where's that? Wait. Oke, sorry. Nah, jadi ini kamu bisa ask GPT to write a letter, a warm and friendly letter. Kamu minta GPT tolong bikin surat yang hangat, yang friendly ke oma aku, gitu. And then you can set the limitation.
Oh,
Mm-mm. The paragraph harusnya satu paragraph, atau kamu mau bikin 10 paragraf bisa, atau mau bikin cuman 3 kalimat, 3 sentences bisa.
three
And then
sentences.
3 kalimat
Mm.
sentence. And then the topic. Nah, this is the most important. Topik kamu tentang summer kamu, tentang holiday kamu. Bisa kamu lebih spesifikin lagi supaya tidak terlalu generik. Misalnya kamu ternyata waktu liburan kemarin kamu ke Jakarta. Kamu jelasin, oh Jakarta eh, seperti ini suasananya, aku nginap di mana, aku jalan-jalan kemana, kayak gitu. Supaya GPT itu tidak they not like asal-asalan gitu. Supaya dia tidak asal-asalan. Oke. You have any question before? Okay. So after we using the table, we can write it on the GPT. We can write the prompt. Every details you read from the this table. And then so this is the output. This is the result. Maybe you don't see much different, but from the first sentences, you can see the this result is how are you doing, and then you can compare to this one. Just a dear grandma, just a usual letter, right? Okay, you got it from here?
Yeah.
Yeah, understood. Okay. And then we also can improve like indication of style and tone, like this, from a lively and emotional style. Mungkin kamu bisa kasih a fun letter. Maybe you can write about dramatic letter,
Dramatic.
anything. Mhm. Joy and excitement. Jadi kamu jelasin ke GPT, oh aku pengen bikin surat yang full of joy, atau kamu pengen bikin surat yang duka cita, kamu bikin surat yang tentang sadness. Tergantung gimana mood kamu saat itu. Tergantung gimana mood yang pengen kamu sampein di surat itu. Kayak GPT bisa bisa bikin surat kayak gitu. Okay, so let's skip it from here. Okay, so I think we can start to practice, yeah. We can start to practice. Mhm.
From Algonova.
From Argonova, okay. Using AI in your everyday
Oh.
life.
Bố không muốn được. Sắp chui luôn.
You can share your screen.
Yeah, okay, sir. Right. Được. Wait, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, done, sir.
Okay, it's still loading. Okay, good.
Wait.
Number 2, using AI in everyday. Okay, we need to answer some question first. This is my presentation. You can see it later. Okay. So select the definition of a textual neural network model. Textual neural network model is an algorithm trained on a large amount of text data, etc., etc.
What is the main function of a prompt when working with a natural?
Okay, used to process of generating data by a neural network, setting parameters and constraints.
So we done all next.
Yes, next. Okay, so you will drag. There is two categories. What is the good prompt and the bad prompt? Tinggal digeser ke bawah.
I think this one, the first one, is bad because it just say write a poem about summer, not too full. Yeah.
Okay, because it's too short. It's not it's not so specific, right?
A poem about summer using images from nature, focus on the bright sun, green trees, and blue sky. I think this one is also not that good because, like, it's more focused to the picture than to the poem.
Okay, let's see.
About summer in I think this one is good. This one is good or bad, sir?
Sorry. Write a poetic story about how we spend the summer at a country house, describing the different sound and smell. Do you think it's not too specific?
Yeah.
I think it's a good one
Write a
because
short poem about summer describing the feeling of summer and bright. Use metaphors and the goal is to inspire and achieve. Yeah, this one is good. Write a poem about summer which will be sad and long. I think this one is not that specific.
Mhm.
This one is write a poem about summer using what's monosyllabic words. I think this one is also bad.
Okay, so there is 5 bad and 3 good.
Do I try?
I think you already uh wait, can you scroll down a little bit? Okay. I think the answer will be 4 good and 4 bad.
So this one should be in here.
Yeah, I think sure. There you go.
Oh, what is this?
Okay, so use ChatGPT to write a letter to your friend who has moved to another city and describe your life. Hmm? And then
Also,
this requirement, you can read the requirement. Letter should be written in an informal, lively, and emotional manner. Describe 2 or 3 significant recent events in your life. Describe your feelings about your friend's move. And then end the letter by wishing all the best. You got it? Maybe mungkin kamu punya teman nggak yang pindah ke luar kota? No, not really. Okay. Okay, we
I
can.
just asked this AI to like make a poem.
Uh, kamu tanyain ke AI untuk bikin surat.
They
To
make a
write
write. Oh, okay.
write a letter to your friend
A
yang pindah
letter
yang pindah ke
to
kota lain.
my friend
Kemudian
that
kamu describe
another.
kamu describe. Nah,
Um,
caranya kamu klik dokumen ini.
this is document.
Yes, the document here.
Huh? Is it in the here the chat GPT plus give you higher no. Which one?
No. You see on your Argonova platform?
Algonova?
Yeah. This one is the document. You can click it. Okay, you can make a copy. Like last week, go to the file,
Oh, okay. File.
make a copy. Okay, there you go. Make a
Okay.
copy.
Make a
Okay, good. And then this is the letter to a friend. Like I said,
So I will write
mm,
describe my life.
yeah, you can go to now. You can go to the Chat GPT.
Yeah, I'm at ChatGPT.
Uh,
Describe.
Wait,
So what do I say? Describe how I feel.
yes, I cannot see your GPT
Huh? Why?
because you're sharing your browser. You are sharing
Uh,
your browser. Maybe you can open ChatGPT in your browser or you open it on your another window.
so if I so sir, but can you see this?
I can see your Microsoft Edge. This is Microsoft Edge, right?
This is the
Ya,
algorithm.
kakak bisa lihat kok yang ini, yang algoritmik ini.
And then after this kan I need to wait, how about if I Sir, can you see what I'm opening now?
Ya, bisa aku lihat yang solving everyday task in AI, yang algorithmic ini.
Opening everyday
Oke.
tasks in AI.
Yang ChatGPT kakak nggak bisa lihat.
Then how?
Oke. I need you to stop share now.
Okay.
Okay. Now share again, but choose entire screen. Entire screen.
There's no entire screen.
Entire screen. Or just screen.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This entire screen.
Okay, there you go. Now go to GPT. Oh, you open it on Firefox.
Yeah.
Okay. Never mind.
There, so I asked ChatGPT here.
Write a
Write a letter to my
letter.
friend that moves to another city. Describe how I feel like that.
Okay. Maybe you can be specific. Nama teman kamu, your friend's name.
Write a friend to let's say
To my friend, her name or his name is.
Kiwi.
Okay. To my friends Kiwi gitu.
To my friend Kiwi.
To my friend, her
That
name or his name.
her name
Her name is Kiwi. That moves to another city. Maybe you can be specific. Another city-nya di mana?
that moved to another city, which is California.
California, good. And then
Describe how I feel.
describe how I
I
feel.
feel sad, something like that.
Yeah,
Feel really sad,
I feel really sad,
lonely,
lonely. Okay, good.
sad, lonely, sad, and lonely. And then
And then maybe kamu cerita uh, beberapa beberapa apa ya? Several things about your life di sini semenjak kehilangan teman kamu. It's not kehilangan, but semenjak teman kamu pindah.
since you moved to California,
Hmm. Apa yang terjadi? Apakah ada event seru? Apakah kamu
everybody was really sad and miss you. Like
good?
that.
Good.
And then Sam,
And then you will end the letter. Kamu bakal mengakhiri pesan itu
hmm?
dengan mengucapkan wishing you all the best.
So I write wishing you all the best.
Kamu bilang ke GPT end this letter,
That
by wishing Kiwi all the best. End this letter, not ke GPT.
Nah, check.
Langsung aja. End this letter. End this letter.
And this letter using
Wishing Kiwi the best. Wishing you all the best. Okay, good. Oke,
set
kamu no set the limitation. Berapa
of
panjang mungkin paragrafnya? Berapa panjang kalimatnya?
limitation. One paragraph.
One paragraph. Oke, good.
Paragraph.
PHP paragraph. Nah, good.
Paragraph. And for a teen, a teenager or like how?
And for sudah cukup.
Okay.
Limitationnya satu paragraf aja. And then you can send it.
What is dear Kiwi?
Dear Kiwi. Oh, mungkin kamu bisa ubah lagi. Kamu mau ubah lagi?
But if it's like this, is it okay?
This is okay.
Okay then, like this aja.
Ya. Sekarang I need you to copy all of this.
Okay. Copy.
Copy.
Then go here and then
Di promnya kamu paste. Oke. Satu lagi resultnya juga kamu copy. Oke, fun fact kamu bisa langsung copy di sini kok. Nggak perlu di
okay.
blok, kamu bisa langsung copy. Oke, good. Now task number 2.
You need to write an official letter to school principal asking for permission to hold a school event, for example, a charity concert. Huh?
Jadi seolah-olah kamu anggota OSIS dan kamu pengen bikin acara di sekolah. Kamu minta bikin surat ke kepala sekolah untuk izin pembuatan acara.
So I
Gitu.
say make a formal,
Yes.
actually
Yeah. Make a formal
write
letter.
a
Write a formal
formal
letter
letter to my
to
principal,
mm, bisa dispesifik namanya mungkin
principal Sir Edward.
Edward. Oke.
And then
Apa
I'm just
topiknya tentang apa? School event,
um talent show,
talent show. Oke, good.
write a formal to, to my principal Sir Edward
To ask his permission
to ask his permission
meminta izin supaya eh, membuat
to
acara talent show.
membuat acara to say make
To make an event
okay, to make an event about talent show.
di mana acaranya
It will be
held
held at the school school hall
school hall. Oke, good.
school hall.
Kapan acara itu?
It will be it will be no it the talent show will start tomorrow next atau next week
Next week boleh. Spesifik tanggalnya.
next week
Kamu bisa tulis spesifik tanggalnya, spesifik jamnya.
September
Next week September. September 1st. Oke, good. And then kamu bisa jelasin benefit dari acara ini itu apa?
talent show will start from next week September 1st and we'll start at 12
Boleh?
12 no mana aja
Dan,
PM
mm-mm.
okay then
Oke. Nah, habis itu after that kamu bisa lebih spesifik tentang benefits dari acara ini.
the benefit for this talent show is to show your talent
You show talent. Oke, good.
show your talent and to be more confident
Be more confident. Good, good, good.
and to more confident.
Oke, now kamu cantumin contact information, maybe contact information apa ketua OSIS-nya atau penanggung jawabnya seperti itu.
What's Kuta OSIS?
Your school didn't have OSIS?
No.
OSIS kayak organisasi gitu, organisasi siswa-siswa.
Platform teacher.
Dari siswa.
Hah?
Dari siswa. Jadi di sekolah itu ada organisasi, ya, ada ketuanya, ada wakil kayak gitu-gitu, sekretaris bendahara,
So
anggota-anggotanya.
I say the leader will be blah blah blah.
Kamu cantumin aja, cantumin you can contact me on berapa 08 berapa. Tapi nggak usah tulis
And contact me on.
asal-asal aja 08. Nah, sip sip sip. And then
Uh,
you will close the letter asal-asal aja. Oke, enough. And then the ending of the letter you will close the letter with gratitude and expecting a response. Kamu pengen ada surat
the
balasan.
of this letter
Mm-mm.
will be
The end then it will be showing gratitude,
showing gratitude,
gratitude and expecting a response.
gratitude,
Gratitude today, okay. And expecting
and expecting.
a response. Okay, good. Now send it. Okay, see? Permission request the hotel and show. I'm ready. Good, 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 good. Now copy and paste again.
This do I only do this one?
No, no. Karena ini official letter,
Hmm.
jadi harus ada kop suratnya, harus ada to siapa. Jadi semuanya aja. Oke, jadi kamu sebenarnya nggak perlu blok, kamu tinggal copy di sini.
Oh,
Hmm. Oke, good. Last one.
use ChatGPT to write a random greeting card for specific holiday, maksudnya.
Tulis greeting card untuk holiday. Ini sebenarnya bonus task, jadi nggak perlu kamu kerjain juga nggak apa-apa. Mau lanjut aja? You want to continue?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, just file, go to the file, and then export or download, sorry, download and PDF
Download
document, PDF document.
PDF.
Yes. Okay, go to Algonova again.
This is Algonova.
Ini Algonova ya? Eh,
Yeah.
yang sebelumnya, yang di sini.
Okay, wait. This.
Ada nggak? Sebelahnya lagi coba. Okay. Now I need you to attach the file. Copy or solving every task. Yeah.
Open.
Yes, open. Then checklist here. There you go. One more. Upload again.
This.
Yes.
Then press.
Yep. Okay. Now we already solved our first task about doing some letters. Okay. You can go back to the Zoom now. I will share my screen again.
Wait, how about this one?
What?
The one that says creating a greeting card. Use ChatGPT to write a text for greeting card.
Okay. That one is the bonus task. Okay.
So what do I do now? Do I just press the arrow,
Yes. You
the
just
back arrow one?
the back arrow and go back to Zoom.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, I share my screen. You can see my screen now.
Hmm?
Jadi yang bintang ini, yang stars ini, it's a bonus task. You can do it after the class or when you have free time. Ini nggak wajib, bisa kamu kerjakan, bisa nggak juga. It's okay. And then we will learn about using AI as a learning assistant. Like imagine you are preparing for a test or preparing for an exam. You have a lot of material.
Hmm.
You need to highlight the key points. Okay, and then you writing a paper and need help defining the main idea. Or you need to translate a text from another language like French, Germans, or Mandarin. AI can do it all for you quickly and efficiently. I wonder in your school, do you learn any language besides English?
Ya.
What it is?
Bahasa
Bahasa Indonesia, of
um,
course, I think.
and Mandarin also.
Mandarin,
Uh,
just three of it. Okay. So our AI, our LLMS, will have many capabilities. It can search for information, text compression, text translation, idea generation, and grammar checking. Jadi AI itu bisa cari informasi, juga teks kompresi atau memperkecil teks ya, dan juga translate, idea generation, I can help generate ideas, dan juga grammar checking. Okay, for example, imagine you are preparing for a test, you have a lot of material, you need to highlight the key points. This is the example of bad prompts. Just text compression, make it shorter. But this is the sample of the high quality prompts. Compress the text to 100 words while keeping all the basic ideas and examples. And then you insert the text here. Kamu masukin teksnya apa yang mau dipendekin gitu.
okay.
Jadi lebih spesifik. Compress the article and so on and so on, baru kamu upload lagi teksnya gitu. Okay, this is about text compression. And then task number 2 is about grammar and style checking. So basically, maybe you have new vocabulary. Kamu baru dapat vocabulary baru, tapi kamu bingung how to spell it, or kamu bingung grammarnya itu yang benar kayak gimana. GPT bisa memperbaiki grammar kamu, memperbaiki vocabulary kamu. So this is the example of GrammarPro. Check the grammar and punctuation of this text in English and correct the mistakes. Baru kamu kasih teksnya lagi. Jadi GPT tolong perbaiki grammar saya, terus kamu kasih teksnya yang mau kamu perbaiki. Okay, and then yeah, I think that's it. We can continue to our course number 2, solving educational tasks.
Do I need to share screen?
Yep, let's go.
Okay. Atau Amas.
Okay, large language model bisa apa aja? Answering question, finishing sentences, outlining the essences of the text, text translation, and text generation. Okay, go. Okay, this one again. Good prompt and
Come
bad
up
prompt.
with an idea for a school ecology project to solve the problem of global warming. I think this one is good. This is bad. This one is also bad. That's good. That's bad. That's good. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Hmm?
it's a mistake. Um, come up with ideas for ecology project. Come up with ideas on ecology. Wait, it's false?
Hmm?
Is it false?
Sir?
Is it correct or false?
I think correct.
Okay, this is the second one. Okay,
So like this.
yeah, yeah. Go, 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 go direct. No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait.
Oh,
Yeah, this one is a bad prompt.
why?
Okay, one more.
This is also bad.
Yep.
Oh,
Okay, the first task, you can copy to the comment again. Okay, make a copy, make a copy.
then
Okay, the first task, you can see, find a scientific article on a topic that interests you. Use ChatGPT to compress it to text 3 or 4 main thesis. Oke, jadi yang pertama ini, sabar dulu. Kamu cari topik apa yang lagi pengen kamu tertarik. Apakah tentang musik, tentang hobi kamu, boleh. Tentang apapun. Kamu cari topik dulu. Kemudian kamu diminta untuk kompres eh, atau disuruh rangkumin topik itu. Kamu cari topiknya di Google juga boleh.
so I think the topic will just be my hobby lah.
Oke, sekarang kamu cari topiknya tentang swimming di Google.
But
Di situ aja. Di mana? Di browser kamu tadi. Di Firefox tadi.
just Google Chrome.
Oke. Oke, it's okay. Nah, boleh. Kamu cari tentang misalnya apa? Beneficial of swimming. Coba.
Nah, baking aja.
Baking. Eh,
Hmm.
beneficial of baking, boleh. Advantage of baking, boleh. Oke. You can open one. You can open one result. Okay, I think it's too long. Let's see another one.
Okay. Um,
Maybe it's more like a textual.
Share a short text.
Boleh. Why baking is good? Coba.
Oops. This why baking is good.
Maybe let's search about news. Coba cari berita. Berita apa yang interest kamu akhir-akhir ini?
Ah,
Kamu cari tentang news that interest you recently. Berita apa yang kamu dengar akhir-akhir ini?
I don't care, Milo.
You don't care about news?
No.
No? Maybe like makan bergizi.
Uh, nutrient, food,
Boleh.
Here, nutrient-dense food include beneficial micro and macronutrients such as vitamins, mineral, protein, fiber, and healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids.
Scroll down a little bit. Scroll down a little bit. Let's see the text. Okay. Now you already find the text, yeah? You can copy. You can copy all of
All of
this.
it,
Yep.
from you can until
Until,
half.
yes, from
Okay.
you can till you have. Okay, now go back to GPT. GPT compress the text
Compress the text.
menjadi berapa kalimat? Dua kalimat boleh?
Two sentences
Two sentences of the main thesis.
of the main
Main thesis. T-H-E. T-H-E. De. S-E-S. Oke, good. Sekarang paste. Oke, let's go.
isn't it?
Yes, send it.
Here.
Yep. Copy the prompt and copy the result.
Oh yeah, wait. Mhm. Okay, done.
Okay. Now task number 2.
Pick a topic from your school curriculum. Ask ChatGPT to generate 5 questions on this topic that could appear on the test.
Oke, misalnya pelajaran apa yang paling kamu suka? What is your favorite subject in your school?
Uh, I don't have one.
You don't have one? Maybe the most difficult one?
Difficult one is, I think, mm, wait, math?
Math? Okay. Now ask GPT to write a question about math 1 SMP. Right? Not write a question. Maybe like 5 question or 10 question.
5 questions.
Mhm. Of math for
This
for first grade of secondary student.
secondary student.
Secondary student first grade. Okay? Send it. There you go. You learn it at school?
No,
Algebra?
no,
No, not yet.
I don't think so.
Okay, copy the prompt and copy the answer.
Hmm.
Okay, good.
Find a short text in a foreign language. Use ChatGPT to translate it into your language.
Oke, sekarang pikirin dulu bahasa yang mau kamu pakai apa.
Kan bahasa Indonesia.
Boleh.
Okay,
Sekarang
then.
teks
Uh,
teks dari bahasa Indonesia. Maybe like song lyrics, lirik lagu mungkin.
okay.
Oke, kamu bisa cari lirik lagu apa yang kamu suka.
Don't listen to Indonesia song.
Oke. Do you listen to what? K-pop?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you can do Koreans too. You can
What?
search. You can do Koreans too. You can search the Korean lyrics.
Okay. I search it
Cari
from Google.
yes, search it from Google.
Oh, what? Yeah.
What song?
Uh,
Strategy. Mhm. It's all in
but
English or Korea?
I don't know.
It's all in
English.
English. Let's
Yeah.
search for all Koreans lyrics.
Okay, okay.
Cari yang Korea semua.
Oh, yeah. Um,
What? 17.
oh,
I see you heard twice a lot. Listen twice a
yes.
lot.
Mhm.
Okay,
But
there you go. Oh, it's in Latin.
it's like this. It's not all this.
Okay, there you go. Maybe like one chorus, satu satu bait aja.
Um,
Maybe the first one.
this the first paragraph.
Yeah, the first paragraph. Okay. Now ask GPT to translate it. Langsung aja translate this text to. Kamu pengen translate kemana? Indonesia kah atau English?
English.
English.
English,
Okay.
yeah.
And then paste your lyrics.
Then
There you go. Yep, send it. Okay, copy and paste again.
done.
Done. Good. And then the last one, is the grammar checking. Oke. Jadi kamu pengen kirim pesan. You want to send a message. Pesannya bukan pesan formal, pesan WhatsApp biasa aja. Asking your math teacher to send you the homework untuk ngirim PR-nya ke kamu. Nah, kamu bikin pesannya langsung diketik aja
Oh,
di GPT.
okay. What does it?
Misalnya guru math kamu siapa namanya? Excuse me,
Miss
Good
Claudia.
morning. Good morning, Miss Claudia.
Okay.
I would like to ask you
I would
I would like to ask you to send me the math homework because I didn't went to school yesterday. Thank you, Miss. Oke, sekarang ask GPT to check your grammar. Check. No, no, no. Wait. No, no, no. Not like that. Space. Okay. Check this grammar. Check the grammar.
send.
Yes, send. Okay, there you go. Jadi GPT give you recommendation what went wrong and
Yeah. Okay, done.
done. Okay, done. And then go to the file again.
File.
File, download PDF document. Okay, go to Algonova. There you go, upload.
This.
This, yeah, open. Same thing. Hmm.
This.
Yep,
Same thing also.
same thing also.
This one also.
Yep,
Okay.
same thing. Okay, done. We're done for today.
Okay.
That's it for today. So, our today's lesson is about using AI in our everyday life. I think it's very useful to you since you're a student.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe like making homeworks, making letters, uh, getting translation from another language. Yeah. Okay. So before I close this lesson, you have anything to ask before? Or maybe you have some example you want to do with GPT again to solve your everyday tasks? No, not really. Okay. Maybe it will be helpful to you since you are a student. Mungkin kamu nulis surat, mungkin kamu tugas bahasa Indonesia kan biasanya suruh nulis surat tuh. Ya nggak? Nulis surat, mengarang cerita. Kamu bisa pakai GPT aja. Using the table of the structure. GPT, write a letter, atau make up stories about apa, kamu spesifik. Kuncinya adalah kamu be spesifik. Be spesifik apa yang pengen kamu curahkan ke GPT. Okay? Good? Okay. So, and then I'll see you next Saturday at 11 again.
Yeah.
And have a good weekend, have a good Saturday, and have a good day, Karen.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir.